Welcome to the House of Valentina. I'm Valentina, and today I have a really fun home tour for you. For many of you who are subscribers and visit the site often, you know that we run a real estate and design business here in the Atlanta area. So what that means is that we get to help our clients. They buy houses, they sell them, we renovate them, we decorate them. We get to do some of it with some, and we get to do all of it with others. And this house, this home tour that we're going to show you today is extra special because I actually helped the sellers buy the house originally. And then the entire house has been renovated and it is beautifully decorated. And I know that even if you aren't shopping in the Atlanta area, you are going to feel so inspired by this home. The home is gorgeous. Now, we are in Alpharetta, and this is an absolutely stunning area of Georgia. This home is located in the Windward community, which is a very unique community in the Atlanta area. It's located in Alpharetta, which is just north of Atlanta, and it is a 195-acre lake, Lake Windward, and the entire community is centered around the lake, and it is absolutely gorgeous. You can have a pontoon boat down at the marina. There's all kinds of activities through the community at the lake. So many people have paddle boards, and it's an incredible thing to have this kind of lake where you have access to that. You have access to water and you can swim in it, and it's incredible. But not only does Windward have the lake, it also is centered around the golf course, the Golf Club of Georgia. And so you have water and golf, and that makes it extremely unique, especially in our area. Graywood Manor is located in the Windward community, but it is also located on the 8th hole of the Golf Club of Georgia. So it is a very unique property. I love this home in particular on this street because it has these absolutely breathtaking front doors that are iron, and they're heavy and they're stunning, and that is quite the entry as you come in. The entryway is absolutely breathtaking. You have this spiral staircase, it's 2-story, and these chandeliers have been brought all the way from Italy, and they are incredible. As you walk into the 2-story family room, you're greeted with this beautiful patio just beyond it, so you have all that window light coming in. You've got the French doors leading out to that exterior patio, which I'll show you in just a second because you're gonna love that so much. But the fireplace is two-sided here, so it's beautiful 2 stories. It's open and airy and light, and it's so elegant in this space. You actually have a dining room that is attached, so the home is very open. You have a really open plan style of living here, and it's just all so well appointed. It's incredible. It feels so luxurious and yet approachable. Before we head to the kitchen, I'm going to take you out to that patio. It's truly Parisian style. It's so stunning. I just love the way the patio just sits, and it's on a wooded lot, and it's very private, and it's got all new lighting out there, and so it's just very serene and beautiful. It's the perfect spot to sit with a drink or to have a barbecue, and it's such a great gathering space for the family, and it stretches all the way down to the end, which leads us down to the owner's suite. This is an oversized bedroom with its own fireplace. Oh, I know. Don't you just absolutely love that? I just think that a home like this is so special. So not only has the paint been done, not only does it have this absolutely gorgeous double-sided fireplace, it also has beautiful hardwood floors, his and hers closets. Oh, what I would do to have that. Which all leads into the most magnificent bathroom. It's just that wonderful moment. And I think that those moments are so important when you're buying a home because you feel it. You feel it in your soul when something is just done right and it's done well. And everything has been redone in this bathroom. All the tiles are updated. The vanities were taken down. The mirrors, the old ones are gone, and these beautiful, elegant fixtures have all been put back up. And the cabinetry is updated. And this entire space feels like a retreat. I promise you, this is the kind of bathroom that when you own this bathroom, you're gonna have a real struggle going on vacation. because it's so luxurious that you're gonna have to spend some serious money to have a bathroom like that on your vacation. So it feels like a retreat and a vacation every single day, and I think that that is an amazing thing to have in your everyday home, don't you? So let's walk back through and head over to the kitchen and the family room. I love this because you really feel like you can have this really private area for your family. It's private, but it's all open and it's incredible. It really is. You have this amazing space where everyone can gather together, and it's still big enough that you have plenty of room in there for everybody, but at the same time it's a little bit separate, and I really love that. All the cabinetry has been updated, the countertops, the backsplash, the appliances, oh my goodness. We've got all updated appliances with a convection oven, and you've got the amazing wine cooler in there. I know, who doesn't want that? Even if you just want to store some Perrier in there. It's just nice to have that little cooler sitting there. We've got updated faucets and fixtures, and it's so well appointed. It's just absolutely gorgeous. So a lot of times, homeowners get a little bit pooped out when they've finished that main level, but not these guys. Each and every one of the bathrooms and bedrooms has been completely updated to the standard of the master. And I am telling you, no guest is going to want to leave this home, so you're just gonna have to boot them out because everything's been done and it's luxurious and it's beautiful. The tiles that were used are all updated and they're modern, but they're very light and airy. And so the whole home, everywhere you go, just feels so relaxed and inviting and elegant. I really love that library that's up on those stairs. I love the way the bookcases wrap around that hallway and they lead to this enormous bonus room. And I think it's really fun because it always depends on who's coming to the house, how they'll use it. Some would use it as a TV room, as they are. Some would use it as an extra bedroom if you wanted to. It's a flex space. And it has this huge closet on the back side of it that is an additional space that you can use as an office, you could use as storage, you can use as an exercise room. The possibilities are endless. So it is pretty amazing to have that cool space right there. Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope that you've enjoyed this quick little tour of 1230 Greatwood Manor. It's such a pleasure to be able to present it to you, and I know you can probably tell that I'm extremely excited about this one because it is a very special home. Not every home has this level of update in it, this level of impeccable taste and meticulous care. It's definitely move-in ready, just unpack and you'll be living your best life immediately. And I love that. I love that. So if you'd like to see more about this, visit us at houseofvalentina.com. We'll have all the details there for this particular listing, but also the information for us if you'd like to reach us about buying or selling or renovating or decorating. And we do actually offer virtual services. That's something that we get asked quite a bit, and so we've made that available. Well, I'll leave a link for everything down below so you can find all that. It's truly our delight to be a part of the process of helping others find their way home. There really is no place like home. And I think that's why we just love what we do so much. And we just love to be able to get to be a part of your lives and your homes. And that's just so amazing. So thank you so much for stopping by, and we will see you in the next one. And don't forget, hit subscribe, because I'm gonna bring you back to the house later and we'll talk about all the different furnishings and little decorating hacks that have been used here. You guys are gonna be amazed. So be sure to hit subscribe, and that way you won't miss out on that upcoming video, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.